There are 3 easy ways to get your kids their login information on Boddle. To get there, you'll need to first click into the classroom with the students you'd like to share login information with. Next, on the student management page, click on the Share Student Logins button. Here, you will see 3 options. The first option allows you to email your students' login information to their parents. This is the best option if you're teaching remotely. The second option allows you to download individual PDFs for each student. These PDFs can be printed out or attached to an email for sharing. The last option allows you to print out multiple login credentials into a single page, which can be cut into little login cards for your students. I hope this helps.